Trust me when I say this. Making money online is not easy. I learned it the hard way. I'm not here to sell you a fairy tale or tell you about some get rich quick scheme. I'm going to be completely honest with you and tell you what a 2 year journey of struggle, failure, and frustration looked like for me. But if you stick around, I'll share exactly how I went from failing, losing money to scams, to finally making my first real income online, and how you can do it too. This is not about getting rich overnight, it's about building a real, sustainable income, one step at a time. Hey you, I'm Ikane and I share information on how to make money online and the tools I use. Today I'm going to share my online experience with you. My honest beginning. 2 years ago, I started working online. Not full time, just part time. Like many of you, I kept seeing people on social media saying they were making money online. And I thought, why not me? So I tried. I tried a bunch of things, and honestly, nothing worked. I tried investing I tried investment platforms online, but I didn't make any profits. I tried freelance writing, but it was impossible to compete with other people. I even fell for a scam that promised a secret algorithm for crypto. They promised commissions would be paid after certain amount is paid. And when I paid that, they increased the amount. I continued that. I went to the bank and made a loan of 14,000 kina and paid but didn't get any profit. I lost thousands of dollars. That would be around $5,000. In PNG Kina, that would be 20,000 Kina. And that was a painful lesson for me. I remember looking at my bank account, seeing the balance go down and feeling this pit in my stomach. It felt like a crack. I thought this isn't for me. I was ready to throw in the towel and stop. But here's the thing, giving up wasn't really an option. I had responsibilities. I had siblings to take care of and bills to pay. My why wasn't about getting rich. It was about survival. It was about being able to provide for the people I love. And that need kept me searching. Well, and then one day I saw a sister talking about making money with an ebook online. After getting scammed, I was super hesitant. $25, that's 97 kina, isn't a lot, but after losing so much, it felt like a risk. But something about her story felt different. It felt real. So I thought, why not? So I bought it for 97 kina, $25. The ebook taught me how to find a niche, how to write the content, and how to format it. I spent a week late at night after my normal daily activities editing and perfecting it. Then came the hard part, promoting it. I learned from the ebook to create content around the topic, not just spam the link. It was about building trust. So I did exactly there for another week, 1 week. I didn't know what I was doing, but because I need to make some extra money, I kept going. I created my TikTok account and started posting curiosity posts just to alert the audience. The book is coming soon. Then I launched the book, and guess what? I made my first sale. I sold it for just $5. That's 25 kina in Penju kina. My target audience was students. The reason I dropped the price, but within 2 weeks, I got back my initial investment and even made more. Well, I'll never forget the moment I made my first sale. It was a single $5 sale, but it felt like I'd just won the lottery. It wasn't about the money, it was proof that the system worked. That was my breakthrough after so many years. That was the moment I knew I could do this. I still have that ebook today, and I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. The title is How to Create a Digital Product and Sell Online. After that, I wanted something even simpler, something that fit my busy schedule. The ebook was great, but it became saturated. Like most of the people at that time bought, rebranded it, and was reselling it. And I needed to create my own product and sell online. But it will take a while. I still love digital marketing, but just that I need to do something and earn some money fast. My time was limited. I was looking for a system that was more streamlined and automated, something where I could focus just on promotion. That's when I found this beginner friendly program from a friend friend online. This program was different because it came with products already created for me. My only job was to learn how to market the products within the platform. It was called affiliate marketing and it was a game changer for me at that time. I bought it, learned from it, and just started promoting the product. Well, I promoted the product. I didn't know more about that product, but I started anyway. At first, I got a lot of negative comments coming from people, my audience. People doubted me and laughed at me. Most of them, they said, that's a scam. You'll never make money from that affiliate marketing system. Just go get a real job. Sometimes the comments hurt. But I remembered my why. I knew I had to keep going. I used their doubt as fuel. I kept going until I made my first sale. And I continued till I made my first withdrawal. Then I posted a video showing the proof, and suddenly everyone got interested. The people who were laughing were now asking, how did you do that? People in my country started joining, and today many of them are making money from that simple affiliate program. So, well, just last month, someone from my country actually placed third in the monthly promotion and won $5,000. That's around 21,000 kina. Well, they made a special promotion last month, so she won that amount. The third prize is actually is 1,500, I think. Okay, just last week, one of the mothers in our community made a first sale. Another person was a student made her second sale. These are real people with real lives making real money. And the best part, you can just start for just $7. Inside the platform, there are multiple products you can promote for free and make serious money from. The reason this works is simple. You're not selling a single product, you're getting access to a platform with a variety of high ticket products. This means you have multiple ways to make money, multiple doors to open. But remember, consistency and effort are key here. Look, there's no secret button. This isn't a magic lamp. It works if you do. If you show up, it works. If you don't show up, you earn less or it doesn't work for you. Simple as that. And the best part of it, it has monthly promotion where anyone who made more sales would be rewarded monthly. Prices range from first to 20th place. Okay, from the first place would get $10,000, the second would get 3,000 and down to $50. Before I continue, if you found this information helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click that like button, and hit that notification bell for more information on how to make money online. I'm not special, I'm not a genius. I'm just a person who refused to give up. I'm here to tell you that if I can do it, you can too. You can you have you have a phone in your hand, a story in your heart, and the ability to change your life. Don't let fear hold you back. So here's what you do next. The first link in my description is the exact program I use. Click that link and get started. And if you are serious about making this work, what's the next video I've linked? It's a free tutorial on exit strategies I use to get people to click my links and buy. And if you have questions, comment below and I will try to help. Don't wait, start now. Make sure to subscribe so you can grow together. Let's do this. Your future is in your hands. Let's make it happen. I will talk to you in my next video.